So in this video, we'll just learn about alternate nostril breathing. That's Anulom Vilom Pranayam. And the second one is Kapalbhati. That's a normal tummy stroke as you do strokes. So after this, we'll do small meditation. The first one is alternate nostril breathing. That means you have to inhale from left, exhale to right, inhale from right, exhale to left. Now we see, close. We're using these two fingers, right hand, thumb, index finger. Close the right nostril, inhale from left, close, exhale to right, inhale from right, close, exhale to left. Yes, so in one nostril open, one close, one close, one open. This is very simple, left to right and right to left. So practice for 2 rounds and then we change. Last round. Yeah. So after this, you can practice with hold. So after in, close both nostril, hold for some time, and after out, again close both nostril and hold for some time. So you can hold for 6 to 10 count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 6 count you have to hold, and you can increase your breath hold up to 10 count, you can hold it. So we'll see how to do with hold. Close right nostril, inhale from left, close both nostrils, exhale to right, close both nostrils, inhale from right, close, exhale to left. When you hold the breath, your breathing process will slow down. As your breathing is slow, you feel more relaxed, more calm. And that is why we apply hold on this. So start again with hold, practice 2 more rounds. When your breath will come out from left, so after completing the whole round, then you have to stop. Do not stop in between. So left to right and right to left. When breath will come out from left, then you stop. So this was the first one. Second is the tummy stroke, Kapalbhati. So your tummy will go in. When tummy is in, breathe out. So you can keep thumb, index finger like this, press, keep it on your knee like this, keep it on your knee. Choose the right posture to sit. You can sit normally like this, or you can cross your leg like this. This is the easier one. This is called Sukhasana. This is called Ardha Padmasana, one leg up here like this. And if you cross both legs, that's called Padmasana. So choose any posture which gives you comfort, which you can hold for around 10 minutes. Now, practice the tummy stroke. Place right hand here, small breath in and out. So you have to press your hand inside. When you press your hand inside, that's normal breathe out. Now close eyes, Once you practice this, you can use without hand. Now relax. Now we practice for around 30 to 40 count. Close eyes. Now relax. Just observe your breath. Your breath is slowing down. Now, for meditation, we start from here. Just observe the natural breathing. Focus on nostril both sides. The breath is coming in from nostril, touching here, top of the nostril, then going inside, and from inside, breath is coming out. So you have to focus on this area. When breath is coming in, touching here. When breath is coming out, touching here. Just focus where breath touches the nostril. For 2 minutes, we are doing small meditation. And as you try to focus there, your breathing will slow down. That's natural process. No extra effort. Do not hold your breath. Just focus on breathe in. Focus on breathe out. Now relax. So this was just to know what we do, how we do. So that first one was alternate nostril breathing. Second one was the tummy stroke. And at the end, we have just done small meditation. It is very easy process. You can easily do at your home with right technique. We finish this video here. Thank you so much.